Guys, I made a Lego thing. See, it's like this. See, first pull this and then twist this and then twist it more and then it will get pulled out and then twist and then this can be twisted, then twist this and then you can twist this, ding dong this, and then twist this and twist this, then put this back on, and that's how it works. If you see my room tour, this is my room. See, this is the contraction I made. See.